Yes, good morning. Here we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. My name's Gary Garoni. I'm the CEO President of Star LED. Today we're going to do a high bay retrofit. The reasons why we're going to do this is we're going to, for the application of installing this high technology bulb, LED bulb. This particular bulb is a 100-watt bulb. It gives out nearly 8,000 luminance. This particular bulb will run at an energy saving at approximately 80% of a typical sodium halide bulb. So what I'm going to do now is hand you over to Star LED's electrician, Derek, and Derek's going to demonstrate how he's going to bypass through so we get direct power, direct current into the actual bulb itself and bypass this ballast. This way we're going to get maximum efficiency, and we're going to achieve that energy saving of approximately 80%. Here's Derek. Derek, now you could demonstrate to the audience how you're going to bypass this ballast and the pace that we can do it at, and how it comes together. I'll let you handle it, Derek.
Basically today you're going to start out with a flathead screwdriver, depending on how the application is taken apart. You go ahead and take a couple screws out here. Probably all in all about a 10-minute process. Go ahead and take one of your covers off, the top plate off. And here you have all of the wires for your ballast and your power. Basically from this point what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your ballast. Inside of your ballast box, you will have a black and a white wire coming from your lighting fixture input. You want to go ahead and disconnect those. They will be hooked up. One will be hooked to your lamp, one will be hooked to your common. Go ahead and take those apart. Remove all this other stuff out of your way. You can wire nut all this off, zip tie it so it looks nice and neat, get rid of it. You're going to go ahead and disconnect your SJ cord that you have coming in. It's always good to take the fixture down, make sure you're not hooked to any power when you're doing this. Go ahead and disconnect these. You have your hot, your neutral, and your ground. You can go ahead and leave the ground connected and make sure you have a nice ground in there so you don't have any additions. Now you're going to go ahead and take your two hot wires from your socket, which would be the braided neutral and the braided hot. And you're going to hook them up to the two hot wires coming into your top box of your with your SJ cord here. Go ahead and put it color to color. We're going to use black to black. Put your two neutrals together. Back off. Again, the application for putting it back together takes a couple minutes. You can go ahead and, like I said, cut all these out of the way so they're no longer in the way. You're not going to have power to them anymore. Go ahead and get rid of these. Wires out. Go ahead and put your ballast case back together. Make sure wire nuts are tight. Go ahead and slip this cover back on. Put your other end on. That's how you retrofit a ballast.
So here we are back to do the final installation and install the high bay light back up onto the ceiling. And once we connect the high bay light, we're going to install a Star LED high energy efficient light bulb, which has got a life expectancy of 10 years, and we give it a 3-year warranty.